We found so incredible in our lives, guys. With us.
Hi! This is Kenshin from Chizo.
Yeah.
Ew.
Come take a look at this.
Okay, let's go in there.
Just wait.
Yeah,
There's a Mazda here. There's
I
a
found something
Ford.
cool,
There's a
guys.
Toyota. And there's a Mercedes. And there's a BMW. And this is the coolest BMW. Look, the BMW Coleman's.
The BMW.
And there's still another BMW. How cool. How
far?
and
You saw this?
because look at these. This
Oh,
look, oh my god. This BMW is so cool, right? And this one too. And this BMW. I wonder, you need to explain me how BMW is so viral. How is BMW so viral, guys? I don't know what's that. Tell me in the comments if you know why BMW is so viral.
Yes.
This
and
one
I
is
found
this is on Ford. Hey, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Okay? So, hey, Mindy, can you zoom so away?
Sure.
Oh no. Oh my god, that's a Honda.
Okay, well, okay.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna zoom.
That's the coolest Honda.
Okay, I'm saving in another
Part 3. Need to see you in part 3. Because last one is no views, guys. Why there's no views? And now I make it more views so it can go viral. Because the BMW is so viral. So comment why BMW is so viral. So see you next time in part 3 BMW. If I see a Supra, I will disappear. Because Supra is my favorite. Okay. And I don't know if there's a BMW or not. So bye-bye! I don't know if there's a real Bugatti in my Niwa or maybe others. Okay, so bye-bye!